everyone, it's Kim from Little Hands Sure Start here. I'm just here for Wednesday's edition of Rhymetime today. So today what we're going to do is we're going to sing songs with the theme of animals in mind. So it's going to be a mixture of zoo animals and farm animals and things like that. But first of all, we're just going to sing a few wee songs just to get us started. So if we're all sitting comfortably, we'll start off with our hello song. And to help me today is Maisie the monkey again. Hello, Maisie. Okay, so first of all, we're going to do good sitting and good listening and good looking. Okay, so if everyone's ready, we'll start with Maisie. It's good to see you here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hello, Maisie. Hello, Maisie. Hello, Maisie. It's good to see you here. And Kim. Hello, Kim. Hello, Kim. Hello, Kim. It's good to see you here. Well done. Good job, everyone. Okay, so the first wee song that we're going to do is our Open Shut Them. Now this is a bit of a tricky one, but Maisie's going to help us out, aren't you, Maisie? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Lay them on your lap, lap, lap. Roll, roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them just like this. Shake, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them. Blow a little kiss. Mwah! Well done, everyone. Good job. Good listening. Well done. Okay, so now we're going to wind the bobbin up. Okay, Maisie, you're okay to help me? Yes? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up. Pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, wind it back again. Pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling and point to the floor. Point to the window and point to the door. Clap your hands together. 1, 2, 3. Put your hands upon your knees. Well done, everyone. Good job. And you'll notice that myself and Maisie have left a wee pause there just for your wee ones to fill in the different words and sentences. So that's another good wee tip that you can try at home then as well, just to create opportunity for your wee ones to finish off the song. Okay, so the next wee song that we're going to do is the Itsy Witsy Spider. If we're all ready, get our spiders ready. 1, 2, 3. The Itsy Witsy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Witsy Spider climbed up the spout again. Well done, everybody. Brilliant job. Well done. Okay, so the next song that we're going to do is Roly Poly. So we're going to roly poly our arms right like this. We're going to go up high, down low, out and in. Okay, if we're all ready. 1, 2, 3. Roly poly, roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, roly poly, down, 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 out. Roly poly, roly poly, Well done, everyone. Good job. Now, I know that we song has lots of different concepts in it, so sometimes we wouldn't be expecting our wee toddlers and things like that to maybe at this stage be understanding or using concepts like that, but it's great to add those different concepts into the songs so that we're introducing them to our children in a fun way, and that's really where everything starts off then for concepts like that. Okay, so the next song that we're going to do is Little Peter Rabbit. Okay, can we pretend you're a rabbit today, Maisie? Yes? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose, and he flipped it and it flopped it and it flew away. Well done. Good job, everyone. Little Peter Rabbit. And the next song that we're going to do is Miss Polly Had a Dolly. So get your dollies ready, everyone. Maisie, you can pretend to be my dolly and have a wee sleep. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she phoned for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-tat-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on some paper for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning with my bill, bill, bill. Good job. Well done, everyone. Okay, and the next wee song that we're going to sing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right. Well done. Good job, everyone. Okay, so Maisie, are you going to go for a little rest now? And we're going to do our What's in the Bag. Okay. Okay, Maisie, we'll see you near the end for the goodbye song. Bye-bye, Maisie. Okay, so if we're ready, this is where our animal thing comes in. So we've got a very big bag today. It's so big, isn't it? Yes. Okay, let's see what we can find in the bag today. If we're ready, 1, 2, 3. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Hey, oh, my dearie, oh, what's in the bag? Well done. And all the adults at home, remembering to leave a wee space so that your child can sing what's in the bag as well. Okay, now let's see if we can guess who's coming out of the bag. Ready? Steady. Go! Oh, hello again, Mr. Frog. So look, it's a frog. Hello, frog. Okay, we'll set you down here for a moment, Mr. Frog. And should we sing it again? What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Hey, oh, my dearie, oh, what's in the bag? Okay, well done, everyone. Let's see if you can name this. Okay, so all our adults at home are going to give us a chance to name what we see. Oh! Look! Who is it? I see a teddy bear. Hello, teddy bear. Well done. Okay, so we'll set you down beside Mr. Frog, and then we'll see what's coming next. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. What's in the bag? if you can see it there. Look. Wow. It's a crocodile. You're right. It goes snap, snap, snap. Well done. So we'll put our crocodile down here. And we have one more wee thing in the bag. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Hey ho, my dearie, oh, what's in the bag? Let's see. Oh, your hat fell off. Let's see if we can see what it is. Can we see? Oh, there it is. Look, it's a baby. Hello, baby. Okay, baby's hat fell off there. Oh dear. Right, okay. So we've got our frog, our teddy bear, our crocodile, and our baby. Okay, so first we'll start with our frog. So, everyone can sing along and join in at home then. So we know a frog, he goes jump, jump, jump. Okay, so let's try. A frog is very jumpy, a frog is very jumpy, a frog is very jumpy, he couldn't be anything else. Did I see you jumping at home? Were you jumping? Should we try again? Ready, steady, go. A frog is very jumpy, a frog is very jumpy, a frog is very jumpy, he couldn't be anything else. Well done, I saw you jumping. Well done. Now let's see what a teddy bear is. Let's see, I think a teddy bear is cuddly. Should we all give cuddles at home? Let's try. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. A teddy bear is very cuddly. A teddy bear is very cuddly. A teddy bear is very cuddly. He couldn't be anything else. Did you get lots of cuddles at home? I hope so. Should we try again? Should we do some more? Okay. A teddy bear is very cuddly. A teddy bear is very cuddly. A teddy bear is very cuddly. He couldn't be anything else. Well done. You got lots of cuddles. Okay, what about the crocodile? Ooh, let's see. I think he's very snappy. Could we try to be snappy at home? Would you snap? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. A crocodile is very snappy. A crocodile is very snappy. A crocodile is very snappy. She couldn't be anything else. Ready again? Should we do some more? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. A crocodile is very snappy. A crocodile is very snappy. A crocodile is very snappy. She couldn't be anything else. Well done. I saw you snapping at home. Snap, snap, snap. Very good job. And a baby. What about a baby? A baby is very tickly. Oh, tickle your tummy. So let's try that at home. If you can give tickles or you can give tickles. Okay, if we're ready, we'll get baby all ready. 1, 2, 3. A baby is very tickly. A baby is very tickly. A baby is very tickly. She couldn't be anything else. Again? Should we do some more? Did you get lots of tickles? Ready? A baby is very tickly. A baby is very tickly. A baby is very tickly. She couldn't be anything else. Well done. Good job. Okay, so we're going to say bye-bye to all our friends there. And the next thing that we're going to do is our what's in the bag again. We've got more things in our bag. So let me see if you can guess what we have. wonder, do you know the name of this animal? All ready, steady, go! Do you see what it is? Wow, good job. It's a dog. I see a dog. Well done. So let's see what the dog is going to do today. So we're going to sing 1 little, 2 little, 3 little dogs. And the dog is going to spin around. Okay, we ready? And if you're trying to spin around at home, just be very careful. Maybe we could get a toy and spin it around instead. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little doggies. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little doggies. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little doggies. 10 little doggies go spin, spin, spin. Oh, he's spinning. So these songs are really good for including wee action words and verbs as well, which action words, verbs, which are really, really important for your wee ones' language development then as well too. Okay, so spinning, that was fun. Okay, so doggy, have a rest. Okay, now we'll see what else is in the bag. Let me see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Hey, oh, Maderio, what's in the bag? Well done, everyone. Can you guess who it is? Let's have a peek. Ready, steady. Oh, 2 ears. Look, I see a rabbit, a bunny. Well done, everyone. So 1 little, 2 little, 3 little bunnies. Go hop, hop, hop. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little bunnies. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little bunnies. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little bunnies. 10 little bunnies jumping up and down. Well done. I see you jumping up and down. Were you jumping? Should we try that again, bunny? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little bunnies. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little bunnies. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little bunnies. 10 little bunnies jumping up and down. Whoa, jump, 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 up and down. Well done. I saw you jumping. Yes. Okay, we'll say bye-bye, bunny. Just bye-bye for now. And let's see, we've got another little animal. Okay, in our big bag. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Hey, oh, Maderio, what's in the bag? Okay, let's see. Oh, listen. Can you hear? Ready? Steady. Oh, who is it? Hello, monkey. There you are again. Okay, so this little monkey's gonna go walking. So we've had jumping and running, and this wee man's gonna go walking. Okay, we're ready. 1, 2, 3. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little monkeys. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little monkeys. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little monkeys. 10 little monkeys go walking round the town. Well done. Good job, monkey. Should we listen again? We're going to go walking. So you can practice that action at home as well, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little monkeys. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little monkeys, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little monkeys, 10 little monkeys go walking round the time. Oh, you've made so much noise, monkey. Well done, good job. Okay, we're going to say bye-bye, monkey, for now. And we've got one more song that we're going to do, okay? So this wee song is done to the tune of She'll Be Coming Round the Mountain, and it's called Can You Hear the Lion Roaring at the Sea? So let's see if we've got something in our bag. If we're all ready. 1, 2, 3. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Hey ho, my dearie, oh, what's in the bag? Okay, let me see what's in the bag. Oh, can you say? Oh, I can. Oh, there's Leo. Hello, Leo. Look at all that hair you've got. Hello, Leo. Okay, so Leo's got a very special job. He lives in the zoo, and Leo always roars, doesn't he? He does. Okay, Leo, ready? 1, 2, 3. Can you hear the lion roaring at the zoo? Can you hear the lion roaring at the zoo? Can you hear the lion roaring? Hear the lion roaring, can you hear the lion roaring at the zoo? Roar, roar. Well done. Should we try that one again? That's a new song for us at Rhymetime anyway. Okay, we'll try it one more time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear the lion roaring at the zoo? Can you hear the lion roaring at the zoo? Can you hear the lion roaring? Hear the lion roaring, can you hear the lion roaring at the zoo? Roar, roar. Oh, yes, Leo, we heard that. Well done, everyone. I heard all you at home as well. So if we look at what we've done today, we've looked at different concepts like in, on, under, things like that, up high, down low. We've looked at different verbs, different action words, so we've exposed our wee ones to that. And I know that this video might be a wee bit long for your wee ones to attend to all at the same time. So if it's a wee resource that you can use, you can dip in and out of it throughout the course of the week, and then we'll be back then next week with something different for Rhymetime then as well. So we know we don't expect your toddlers or your wee babies to hold their attention for that very long, because we know that they're developing their attention listening at the moment. So really just dip in and out of that as much as you like. And again, it's lots and lots of repetition. You would have seen me doing those songs a few times today just because they're new to us, some of the wee songs. But repetition is something that children really enjoy just for their language development then as well. It's really good for building up their language and things. And they don't get bored of repeating things over and over again. Sometimes that's their favourite wee thing to do. Okay. And just remembering Joanna's top talking tip and message of the month. Reading is fun for everyone. You can turn a page at any age. So just trying to incorporate that nice balance of reading and singing them together. And not just reading and singing for this month. It's about trying to build that into your routine and all the time as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to sing goodbye, and we're going to bring back our friend Maisie for that. Maisie the monkey had a wee rest, isn't that right? Yes, okay. And we'll be back next week again, so I hope to see you all then. And again, leave any wee comments that you feel under the video. If there's any of the children's names that you'd like me to include, or any themes or any songs that you would like us to do, just give us a wee message, okay? If we're all ready, we're going to sing Bye Bye Maisie first, and then Bye Bye Kim, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, Maisie. Goodbye, Maisie. Goodbye, Maisie. It was good to see you here. Well done. And Kim's turn. Goodbye, Kim. Goodbye, Kim. Goodbye, Kim. It was good to see you here. Well done, everyone. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you again next week. Thank you. Bye.